Bonjour, mes amis. So, I live by one of those sketchy Kmarts, the ghetto ones, where they don't have the new sets of Pokemon cards. They only carry old ones, such as Plasma Storm from like 2012. I mean, it's almost 2015. And then they also have this, which is from 2013, which is Boundaries Crossed, and I think some of these are Plasma Storm, but it also comes with a cute little Fennekin pin. So I'm going to be opening some older cards for you guys. So that first pack with Purloin, it came with this. It was just tucked in between the packs. I opened it, and there was like this pack, and it was here, and there was a pack on top of it. Like, how sketchy is that? Why would you package it that way? But anyways, I got a reverse Meowth in that pack, or like in between the packs, I guess, because that's just weird, right? And then in that first package, I got a Purloin Black and White Plasma Storm, a B-Sharp, Pawniard, I can't remember which one's which, a Black and White Plasma Freeze, and a Heart Gold and Soul Silver pack. So those ones are kind of old. And then in the pack with the Fennekin pin, I got Black and White Boundaries Crossed, Black and White Plasma Freeze, and Black and White Plasma Storm, along with the Fennekin pin. So I'm going to start out with the Purloin pack. So it came with a Koffing, a Ralts, Trubbish, pile of garbage, a Magnemite, a Lotad, the Plasma Frigate. I can never pronounce some of this stuff. Monferno, Lucario. Come on, camera. Okay. A Doduo, which is reverse. And a White Kyurem EX. And this is, oh, I just bit my tongue. This is not a full art. I'm not going to mix it up this time. This is just a White Kyurem EX. And by the way, that White Kyurem was a rare. Next up is the Plasma Freeze pack. Oh my goodness. Having trouble shuffling cards. Okay, so we have a Grimer, a female Nidoran, a Tympole. These things look so weird. I don't know if it's the eyebrows or what. I just don't like them, the way they look. We've got a Dino. I think that's how you say it. Vanillite. Cryogonal. Palpitoad. This one looks way better than its first one. Like, the first one just looks creepy. We've got a Metang, a reverse Nidoran male, and a rare Cacturne. And last up is the Heart Gold Soul Silver pack. And this one does not even have a online card. That's how old this pack is. Okay, we've got a Chikorita, Vulpix, Snubbull, a Steel Energy. You got your little Steelix in the background. We've got a Marill, a Parasect, Starmie, the Copycat supporter card. I may have shuffled these wrong. Hold on. Nope. I guess I didn't. We got a... I'm not sure if this is like the reverse for this set, and my camera won't focus, but it is a rare Ampharos, and it might be reverse. I'm not really sure, because this is the rare Cleffa for the pack, but we got this one. Next up is our black and white Boundaries Crossed. If I can open it. Having some trouble. Those foil packs are really hard to open sometimes. Okay, we've got a Blitzel, Pidove, Duskull, a Tangela, Trapinch, Tranquil, Wartortle, Mindfu, a reverse Skarmory, and this is a full art. A rare Skyla rare Skylar Trainer full art. So this is a full art. I know my full arts. Next up is our black and white Plasma Freeze. And what is Absol standing on? Is that supposed to be like an ice cap? Because it looks like it's standing in like space or something. It's weird. And I'm getting better cards in these old packs than I do in the new packs. I don't even get full arts or anything in the new packs. I haven't even gotten the Mega Evolution cards yet. Unless you have to get those like specially, I don't know. I thought you just got them in regular packs. But we've got a Sandile, a male Nidoran, a Rattata, Makuhita, a Dino, Team Plasma Flareon, Zweilous? I'm not really sure how to say that. Vanillish, a reverse Team Plasma Cofagrigus, I think that's how you say it, and a rare Staraptor. And last is our black and white Plasma Storm with Infernape on the front. Oh, like doing everything off camera right now. So we've got a Suado, I think, Fanpy, a Ralts, Skitty, a Patrat, Special Energy, it says Team Plasma in the corner, Team Plasma, a Lucario, Simisear, a reverse Team Plasma Infernape, and a rare, it says Team Plasma in the corner, Scrafty. Oh yeah, it says Team Plasma down here too. I'd say I got some pretty good cards. Got this cool Ampharos, which I'm not even sure if it's like reverse or not. Got my full art Skyla. Did I say Skylar earlier? I meant to say Skyla. Got her, and then I got this White Kyurem EX. These are like better cards than I get in my newer pack openings. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.